All right, today we're looking at a 2014 Honda CRV LX. It's got 80,000 miles on it. Kona coffee in color. Clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. It's a local trade. All right, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle, starting on the driver's side. It is equipped with rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything's in really good shape. All right, exterior looks really good on the CRV. Once again, it's a 2014, 80,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, 2 previous owners, local trade. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the nice thick rubber floor mats here. Black cloth seating. All right, driver seat's in good shape. Go ahead and get this key out here. It does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. All right, and you have a nice little storage area right here in the middle. It's got a power outlet, auxiliary, and USB port down there. Passenger seat cloth's in really good shape. All right, you have one more power outlet here. Okay, automatic. Got your climate control area right here. AM, FM, CD player. All right, and then the rear backup camera and the radio display will be from right here, and we'll show you that in just a second. It does have cruise control here. Got your steering wheel audio controls, and then your Bluetooth right down there. And then you got your ECON button right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 80,903 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and show you your radio display here. Okay, go ahead and activate the backup camera. I can dim that down for you just a little bit so you can see it's got the guidelines on there as well. Okay, we'll pan down a little bit. Got your radio, AM, FM, CD player. Then your climate controls right here. AC blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Okay, let's go ahead and step out. We'll take a look at the back seat. All right, I tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and walk around. Open up the hatch and the other side door here because it gets a little dark with that black cloth. I want you to be able to see everything I'm describing here. Door panels look great in the back. It does have the back seat, nice thick rubber floor mats. All right, back seat cloth is in great shape. This thing's well taken care of for a 14 with 80,000 miles on it. The center armrest that comes down, got the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look in the back. All right, got the nice protector mat back here as well. Convenient cargo netting. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look underneath here. Okay, got the spare tire and the jack under there. All right, and as you can see, there's a ton of room back here in these CRVs. Got a handle here on this side and on this side. You simply pull these handles. All right, the seats are going to drop down for you. Pull this handle here, seat drops right down. It's getting hung up on the seat belt right now, but as you can see, when those seats go down, it really opens it up back here. The seats are really light but very durable. Just push it back in like that until it clicks into place. Simply just push it back, it'll click in. All right, and you're ready to move on. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 16-inch steel wheels. All right, tires are in great shape. All right, and that's just a rock in there. We'll go ahead and try to get that out. There we go. Tires are in great shape. All right, once again, 2014 Honda CRV LX, 80,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. It's a local trade. Okay, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.